Welcome! In today's guide, I'll walk you through how to turn on Vibrate for posts from people you follow on the X app. If you'd like to make sure you never miss an important update, this quick setting will make your phone buzz whenever someone you follow posts. Let's get started. The first step is to open your phone's settings. Don't go directly to the X app just yet. Everything we need to adjust happens inside your device's main settings. Once you're there, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps. Tap on it to see a full list of applications installed on your device. Next, find the X app inside that list and tap on it. This will take you into all of the app-specific options. Here, you'll see different choices like storage, permissions, and notifications. The one we want to focus on is notifications, so go ahead and tap into that section. Now you'll see a breakdown of all the different kinds of notifications the X app can send. To make sure the setting is specific to posts from people you follow, tap on Notification Categories. Going into categories allows you to customize exactly how certain types of alerts behave, instead of applying the same setting across the board. Inside Notification Categories, look for the category labeled Posts from people you follow. This is the one we're going to adjust. Tap on it, and you'll notice an option to toggle vibration on or off. Simply switch that toggle to on, and your phone will now vibrate every time someone you follow makes a new post. That's it. The change is now active right away. From this point forward, you'll feel a gentle buzz whenever a new update comes through from accounts you follow. It's a simple adjustment, but it helps you stay connected without needing to constantly check the app. So, just to recap, go to your phone settings, tap on Apps, select the X app, go into Notifications, open Notification Categories, choose Posts from people you follow, and toggle on Vibrate. With those few steps, you've personalized your notifications and made them much more effective. Thanks for following along.